Analytics dashboard within your Talking Points district admin account is a powerful tool you can use to drive the use of Talking Points in support of your district's family engagement goals. In the next few minutes, I'll share some best practices for monitoring and leveraging the data in your account. Within the analytics section of your account, you have 3 tabs of data to review. We'll start here on the General tab, which is going to give you big picture themes for your district. I'll highlight a few places to zoom in and best practices associated with each. The first spot is this total messages metric, which lets you know the total number of messages throughout your entire district from admins, teachers, and families for the current school year. This is a great metric to set a goal around, track year to year, and share this number out with your teachers and families to celebrate how each person's contributions add up to big impact. The valid phone numbers and subscribed families graphs help you understand the health of your account data. There are downloadable reports here to help your tech team, admins, or front office staff work with families to get updated phone numbers for your student information system. Context by platform helps you understand how your families are accessing Talking Points, whether through regular text message or through the Talking Points for Families mobile app. The app is free and optional and is a great fit for families who need some of the app's equity features like text to speech and speech to text. We typically see more families transition to the app the longer the district partners with Talking Points. At the bottom of the General tab, you'll see 3 graphs, one for school admins, one for teachers, and one for families. These graphs will let you know about the quantity of messages each type of stakeholder has sent, and you can adjust each graph to reflect the time period and cadence that's useful for you. I like to look at the data on a monthly basis, and in addition to thinking about the peaks and valleys and how they correspond to my district's context, you'll also want to check for the difference between your direct messages, your blue bars, and your yellow messages. Announcements. True relationship building happens in the direct messages, so it's important to encourage those personal conversations. You should also check the box for Show L families to see not just total messages, but also messages sent and received to families of L students. This is a great way to illustrate how you are reaching some of your hardest to reach families. Going back up to the top, we can move over to the school engagement and family engagement tabs, which will show you messaging school by school. Again, here, you can adjust your date ranges. Use this tab to review the schools that are highly active on Talking Points and those that might need a little more support. We recommend reaching out to your highly active schools to gather testimonials, tips for rolling out Talking Points to their staff, and more, so that you can implement those best practices with some of the target schools in your district that need a little bit more support. We hope this brief overview gave you some ideas for leveraging your Talking Points analytics. If you want to go deeper, your Talking Points Partner Success Manager is happy to work with you on goal setting and data monitoring. Reach out to them if you have any questions. Happy messaging.